All right, so this is the plug on the pedal that you want to unplug. So to do that, you're just going to pull up on this tab, and then it should slide out just like that. And then from here, just tuck that away for a second. And then you're going to grab your cable from Madness. This is the plug part that's going to go into the pedal. So that you're going to slide this in like that. And then push down on this red tab. Just like that. Okay, so once you have that, then you're going to take this part of the plug from Madness and you're going to plug it into this cable here that was from the car. Now I am doing this with one hand, so bear with me. That goes in like that, and you just push down that tab to lock it in. Once you get that, now you're left with this part of the cable, and that goes into your module, which is right here. So now you're going to marry these two together. Just like that. Now I'll probably button this up somewhere, maybe over here, like that. And then use the zip ties to kind of get some cable management so it's not in the way, because you don't want this or any of this in your way of the pedal, because that's dangerous. So just make sure that you tuck away everything nicely and just double check. All right, so I'm gonna button everything up and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I pretty much buttoned everything up. I mounted it right there, so it's out of the way. And as far as the pedal, it's also out of the way as well. So nothing's hitting, nothing's interfering with the pedal. So yeah, let's get it connected now. All right, so referring back to the installation here, we're on step 4. So we're going to confirm the handbrake is engaged and the car is in parked or neutral. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So you're just gonna put the car in accessory mode and then fully depress the accelerator pedal and hold it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. The installation is not complete and test drive can be made. All right, so now we're going to connect it to the controller here, or the pretty cool feature, which I'm gonna like, is right on your iPhone or Android is their app, and that's how you can pretty much control every mode and pretty much everything that this can do. So you have 2 options. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so now that the car's on, we're pretty much ready to go. So if you want to use this instead of the app, that's totally fine, or you can use the app. It's very easy. Either route you go, it's very easy, not hard to use. But I'm going to show you the controller. So here's where you pick your modes. You're just going to click modes, and right now it'll do that little connection thing. So this is how you know you're connected, and this is how you know you have battery power, because this is on the back here is where you would change the battery. I believe it's a CR3232. I could be wrong. I could double check that for you guys, but so this is where you're going to pick your mode. So it automatically diverts to sport, but I was playing around with it and I had it on race. This is where you're going to choose your different modes. You have off, your traffic, eco, sport, and race. And then in those modes, you have 5 levels of tuning. So let's just say, for an example, sport. You're going to leave it on sport and then click mode again, and then it pops up here your fine levels of tuning. So you could do sport, traffic, sport, eco, sport, race. So as you see here on the chart. It explains that, which is pretty cool. And then real quick for the protect and the valet, they're right here, the buttons. You just simply hold them for 3 seconds to activate or deactivate. So right now I'm going to just use this, and I'm going to leave it on sport. We'll do sport race, and we'll give it a quick little ride around the block. All right, so we're just gonna drive around in sport race and see what we get here. Oh yeah, way more responsive. Amazing. There is no lag at all, and this is sport race. All right, so we're on race. Let's we'll go into dynamic mode, manual. Holy shit. This thing flies. Guys, I'm not even like exaggerating. It's dynamic mode, race. This is your most aggressive mode you're gonna get. Wow. It's very, very jumpy because it's so responsive. Like, I'm barely touching the pedal. Like, I'm getting thrown back into my seat. I've never felt this before. Wow. I'm like lost for words right now. This is like live reaction. I'm not faking it. Amazing. This is 12 out of 10 right now. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a really fun video to make because I was really excited to install this product. I heard great things about it on the internet, on the forums, from Madness Autoworks themselves. I spoke with Chad and Randy over at Madness Autoworks, and they were saying that like this is the first mod everybody should get. Like, absolute go-to. Everyone raves about it, and it absolutely lived up to the expectation. I just can't believe that like there's like no lag, especially in race. It's so sensitive, it's so aggressive, and if that's what you're looking for, if that's what you want, you're gonna get that in this product. Sport is comfortable. Sport race, you start to creep into that, you know, aggressive response. I did try out Eco. It's definitely slow. You hit the pedal and it's like, you know, sluggish. But you know, hey, listen, if you're looking to get, you know, fuel economy, or you're going for a long drive, then you could throw it on Eco mode. Same thing with traffic mode. If you're in traffic, and you can throw it on traffic, and you know, I'm in New Jersey, so I'm in like the tri-state area, and it's just traffic is you know, part of my life. But I was just looking for something to get rid of the lag, and this product definitely did that. And I feel like the car is faster in a sense. Like, I feel like there's more torque, there's more power, and there's not. It's just there's no lag, and the car now is just responding to what I'm telling it to do. So I'm just very happy. And just a full disclosure, I have no partnership with Madness Autoworks. There's no paid sponsorship or anything like that. This is just me making content for the Stelvios out there, 2.0 specifically. I'm just a big fan of Madness Autoworks, and the people that work there are very knowledgeable, they're professional, and they're just cool guys. And just shout out to Boris, the team principal, great company, and I just very happy with their product so far. So I look forward to doing more videos on content for my 2.0, for the Stelvio specifically, for you guys, the viewers, to just help you out, you know, going on YouTube looking for stuff you want to do to your car, and you know, that's pretty much it. So again, shout out to Randy and Chad over at Madness Autoworks. If you guys are interested in this product, I will leave the link in the description below. Make sure to give them a call and to put your order in, and yeah, stick around. I'm sure I'm gonna have more videos coming soon, so smash that like button and hit me with a follow and subscribe. All right, thanks, peace.